Hey friends, do you have 15 minutes? If so, you can transform your tree from bland to grand. Yes, you heard that correctly. That's all the time it takes from start to finish once you gather the supplies. The link in the comments gives you the list and step-by-step instructions to go from ordinary to extraordinary. Bonus tip, you can get most of the supplies from Dollar Tree. Now let's do this together. So I've got these glitter snowflakes. They're really, really large. And I'm starting by placing them offset all the way down the tree. And I've got 6. There's 4 on. I'll be putting 2 more on. So we've got all of the large red glitter snowflakes on the tree. And the next thing we're going to do is start with our large ornaments. I like to start the tree with putting all large items on first. We're going to do it the same fashion. We're going to start at the top and then offset as we go down. Okay, we've placed the larger red ornaments on, and now we're going to go to the next size down. And here's a fun tip. I like to use these chenille stems to attach my ornaments to the tree. So we'll get those on. Now it's looking pretty red, and this is going to be a red and white themed tree. So now I'm just going to start adding in a few white ornaments. I've got these and some smaller just plain whites, and I'm going to start putting those throughout and bring out some of the white color that I'm wanting to incorporate. So now that I've added some of the white ornaments, you can see that's starting to stand out and it's not looking as red. Now we will be putting more white ornaments on later, but right now, if you look around the tree, I can see some places like there's some gaps inside. And what I like to do is just string 3 ornaments together with a chenille stem and then tuck those back into any of those areas where there are holes that need to be filled. Now this is where we stand right now. I filled in some of the cluster ornaments here, as you can see. Now I like to consider the white merry and bright ornaments to be kind of like a showcase ornament. So I've placed them towards the outer limbs of the tree. And I'm going to add these. These I consider to be kind of a showcase ornament as well. They're bright white, and I'm also going to hang them on the outer edges of the tree because that's what the eye is going to go to first. And you'll pick up the white in amongst the reds. Okay, here's a progress check. We've placed the large snowflakes, the large red Christmas balls, then we graduated to the smaller red balls, added the white, then the accent pieces and the stars. And now we're ready to put my favorite part on the tree, and that would be all of these floral picks. I just love how they make the tree look. Everything comes together. Let me just show you. Say you just look for a place that might need something. Then you want to take that floral pick and just stick it right in. Those are my favorite things to add to the tree. We've got this kind too, these little red and white ones. And then we have just plain white. So I'm going to just place them all around anywhere where I think there might be something missing. And we'll do another check in a second. Now I've added the berry picks and the floral picks. You can see how the berries just add so much to the tree. Now at this point, I think I'm finished. I don't believe I'm going to put anything else other than the topper on top and a tree skirt down below. Now the tree is ready for the topper. And I want you to think outside the box when it comes to topping your tree. I've done the angels, the florals, all of that in the top of the tree before, even done the big bow. But this year I decided to try something different. Now, one of my favorite decor pieces is this Believe sign. I just adore it. I don't know, the reindeer nose and the antlers. It's just so cute. And I think that is going to be a cute topper on my tree. So I'd like to get your all's opinion. But the whole point is you can just take a tabletop decoration and turn it into a treetop decoration. There's the Believe tabletop decoration on top of the tree. Now, bear in mind, if you do both sides of your tree, you will want to double those number of ornaments to do the back side as well. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you a very Merry Christmas. Please follow us for more fun content.